Bepanthen Diaper Nappy, Care Ointment 100 grams ndash, by Bepanthen is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. Dual action everyday protection and care of nappy rash. Bepanthen ointment is a dual action benefit, helping you to do the best you can to protect against nappy rash and help promote the natural healing of your baby's delicate skin. When applied at every nappy change, Bepanthen forms a long-lasting, breathable barrier protect against the irritants that can cause nappy rash. Trials show that using Bepanthen at every nappy change leads to a healthier baby skin and a lower incidence of nappy rash. If your baby has nappy rash, Bepanthen gentle formulation quickly soothes the soreness, and the active vitamin ingredients works to accelerate natural skin healing. Bepanthen is free from all colors, fragrance or preservatives and is clinically proven to be gentle enough for the most sensitive of skins, including that of premature babies. The dual action benefit of protection and gentle skin recovery also make it suitable to soothe and care for nipples, both during and after breastfeeding. Bayer Bepanthen Diaper Nappy, Care Ointment protects and cares from the causes of diaper rash and gently helps to maintain healthy skin.